I'm Steph, I'm the Careers and Engagement Manager at Lantra.
Hi, I'm Sana, the Careers and Engagement Coordinator at Lantra.
We are taking part in the Green Careers Week, which starts from the 4th to the 9th of November.
We partnered up with Chevron Green Services to highlight surprising careers, including the highway sector.
We have some amazing content coming up, so make sure to follow us.
So my name is Matthew Warden. I'm a working supervisor out of the Chevron Green Services Depot in Stanton.
I'm Jamie, I'm a tree surgeon, team leader.
Hi, my name's Jack Tunstall. I'm an operative at Chevron Green Services.
I'm out on the tools the majority of the time, so I do our tree work, our grass cutting, tractor work, weed spraying. And what I do is when our supervisors aren't both out on notes or one of them isn't, I step in and cover them, so I help cover the other teams as well.
At the start of the year we do the grass cutting side of things, so that's working on the side of the roads, mainly cutting all the grass from the barriers, with the tractors, flails, the robo cuts, the ride-on lawnmowers, and just maintaining all the highways.
Yeah, so my day-to-day is more night to night, but we do the occasional day. Yeah, I'll get up, eat some food, come into work like everybody else does, and then we'll have a big brief with all the different contractors that we can collaborate with. And then whether that job be trees or grass cutting or anything in between, we then get to work doing the job, and then once we're done we go home.
We hope you've enjoyed today's content.
Make sure you subscribe for more
Surprising careers!